Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to use Google Bard for beginners. So let's dive right into it. To begin with, open your browser and type in bard.google.com. Before you start, make sure you are logged in. If you don't have any account yet, don't worry. Check the description box below for a link on how to create one. Now, this is where the magic happens. You can add a prompt for Bard to work its AI wonders. For example, ask Bard to write me a summary of Romeo and Juliet. As you can see, Bard provides us with a concise summary of the classic tale. But that's not all. You can ask Bard to write an essay, conduct research, or anything you need assistance with. With the right prompt, Bard becomes an incredibly valuable tool. I hope this video has been helpful, and stay tuned for more exciting content in the next video. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.